Guys, it's Rylange back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Lego soda vending machine. So first you want to start off with a 6x6 base plate, and then you want to grab two 2x6s, stack them on each other, and place them on each side. You want to make two of those. So you should have two layers like that. And now what you want to do is grab a 1x4 smooth, place it on the way back, and again with the other pieces. And I couldn't find another 1x4 smooth white, so I just did this. Took two 2x2 pieces, stuck them like that. Now to make the piece to go down here, you want to grab two 1x2 flats, 2x4 flat, and a 2x4 slope piece. So yeah, you want to grab that and place it down right there. You want to grab a 1x2 slope and then place it right in front of that. Now what you want to do is grab three 1x6s, stack them on each other. Make two of those to put them on each side. So now you should have that. Right. Now after you have that, you want to grab this little chair piece thingy and then put it on the back where that piece is. So it's like that. Alright. Sorry if it's blurry. I'm using my iPod. So then you want to grab Alright. So then after that, you want to make this piece. So I will be needing to take apart that. So I'm going to put my camera down and I will show you. I'm going to take it apart and show you how to make it. Sorry about that, guys. I'm not a professional vlogger yet, so yeah. Almost done. Alright, so you're going to need these pieces for it. Two of these, one of these, two 1x1s with a hole in them, a peg that about 3 studs long, this little piece, a 4 long stud with it has to be like that, and then 2x2 slope piece, this piece, and 2x4 flat. So to start off, you want to grab this. Now, let me just connect this. Oh my god, it's rolling everywhere. Sorry about this, guys. Just so hard to do with one hand. Now I'm going to put my camera down and do it. So you want it to put like that. Then grab these pieces and put it on them. You want it looking like that. Alright, now you want to grab this piece and then take one of your 1x1s, put it on like that, and then put it on just like that. You want to push it all the way till it can't push anymore. And then you want to grab your peg thingy. And then there it is. Oh, wait, nope. You want it looking like that after. So yeah, now you want to grab your 2x4 flat piece, and then just stick it on there. One sec. Sorry guys, it's just, I have to put it on. It's just so hard to do with one hand. So yeah. You want it looking like that after. And now you want to grab your stud piece, slope, and then turn it around so it'll be facing that way. And then put it on like that. Grab this type of piece, and then put it right there. And then grab this piece to represent your drink, what kind of drink you're going to be getting. And then take this piece and put it right on there. And then grab this piece. Grab this piece. Put it on that piece right there that I just pushed. So I'm going to be putting that on now. So that is that. That's the first one. You want to make 2 of those, and just look back at the video of how to make this piece, make 2 of those. So after you made 2 of those, you want to, one sec. It's exactly the same thing, guys, so I just need to fix something. So, you want to do the exact same thing to the other one, except put a different drink color on. I'm doing gray with a golden cap. So make 2 of those. Now you want to make 2 of these pieces. 1x4 with a 1x2 smooth, and then put them like that. So it would look like that. Alright. Now put the other one on. Oh wait, no, you want to put them on this piece. Sorry, guys. Alright. There we go. Have that on. And then after you have those on, you want to take this piece and stack it on it. Just... Oops, sorry guys. It's so hard. It should look like that after you stacked it on. And now after you have stacked it on, you want to put it right on here in the front. And now you have that. So to make the drinks, you want to take a little stud thingy. I showed you that piece. And I put a smooth on top. This is my red one. And then here is your golden one. Well, my golden one at least. Let me just put that in. So, yeah. And now we will take this piece. Wait, no, not that. This, a 1x4. Stack it on. 1x2. It doesn't need to be like mine. You can make it any color you want. I'm just doing it with the pieces I had. Alright, now you want to take this, put it on the back. Don't go ahead of me because you might mess up and you might not know how to put. And then you want to grab another one. I'm going to put that right here. Sorry guys. Put that right there. There you go. And then grab 2 of these pieces. 2 2x2 smooths. Alright? And then stack them right on like that. Stack them like, put them on like that. And now put this on. Thank you guys so much for this, for watching this video. Leave a thumbs up down below, subscribe, and to know how this machine works, just go to my other video on this, and it will show how it works. Okay, thank you. Bye.